As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, Axie cost will hit $20 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $25 by the center of 2025. Axie will ascend to $50 inside the time of 2031. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.35, so the cost diminished by 6% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $21.84, and the year-to-year change plus 147%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 162%. In 2024, we hope to see $15.6 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $25.58. In the last part, the cost would add $1.38 and close the year at $26.96, which is plus 223% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months. Wednesday, Feb 21, $8.40. Thursday, Feb 22, $8.45. Friday, Feb 23, $8.50. Saturday, Feb 24, $8.55. Sunday, Feb 25, $8.60. Monday, Feb 26, $8.66. Tuesday, Feb 27, $8.71. Wednesday, Feb 28, $8.76. Walk $15, $9.58. April 15, $11.17. May 15, $12.70. June 15, $14.29. July 15, $15.61. August 15, $16.76. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $26.96 to $45.59, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $26.96, then take off to $28.62 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $29.86. That implies plus 258% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $45.59 to $65.20, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $45.59, then at that point take off to $48.33 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $51.05. It is about plus 511% from today. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.86, so the cost diminished by 22% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.12 and the year-to-year change plus 71%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see $10.43 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $17.71. In the last part, the cost would add $95 and close the year at $18.66, which is plus 172% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.66 to $31.55, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $18.66, then take off to $19.81 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.67. That implies plus 201% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $31.55 to $45.10, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $31.55, then, at that point, take off to $33.44 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $35.32. It is about plus 415% from today. 0.1152 into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.93, so the cost diminished by 10% from the start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $14.36, and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 81%. In 2024, we hope to see $10.44 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $15.81. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.89 and close the year at $13.32, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $13.32 to $28.89, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $13.32, then take off to $13.93 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $14.74. That implies plus 86% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost will ascend from $28.89 to $33.55, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2031 at $28.89, then, at that point, take off to $29.13 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $30.82. It is about plus 289% from today. Zwanza 120 Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.72, so the cost diminished by 1% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $17.67, and the year-to-year change plus 100%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 103%. In 2024, we hope to see $12.85 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $18.71. In the last part, the cost would lose $2.33 and close the year at $16.38, which is plus 88% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $16.38 to $35.53, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $16.38, then at that point take off to $17.13 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $8.13. That implies plus 108% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $35.53 to $41.27, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2031 at $35.53, then at that point take off to $35.82 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $37.90. It is about plus 335% from today. 12,150,2023. Axie value expectation 2023-2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.27, so the cost expanded by 21% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $7.84, and the year-to-year change plus 31%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 8%. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $9.18. In the last part, the cost would add $1.49 and close the year at $9.67, which is plus 33%.